Yeah, just doing a little video. It's not blue box time yet. No, what I'm doing here, guys, I've just got some new solder tips. Doing a bit of work. I do a bit of electrical work now and again for me pals. Since I got on my ADHD medicine, I've been able to do all sorts of things. Not too sure if you can even see me. What I'm trying to do is, hopefully I'm on camera. Just setting up me soldering gear, guys. Got some expensive cables to solder. 1 minute. So I just got to get my pliers. Drop down. Just desoldering at the minute. I've got some. I'll show you what we're up to. Just getting me work area. Oh, tidy. Just getting me work area tidy, he says, whilst throwing all the cotton buds all over the front room. Joys of ADHD, right? I'm a really messy guy. I'm constantly cleaning, guys. I'm constantly making a mess. But you'll find that's a common trait of ADHD. So I'm still here, guys. I'm still here. What I'm doing is just getting the isopropyl. Oh. What we've got here, guys, is isopropyl alcohol. Just about to say it. And I use that a lot with electronics. It's basically 99.9% alcohol. Well, it is for my chemist. Most stuff's 99.1, but I'm lucky that my chemist knows me, because I've been here since birth, and he does me the 99.9% stuff. Anyway, guys, what we're doing is, see these plugs? I'll be putting these onto my mate's. Where are they? I'll find them. My mate's cables down there, which is basically high-end audio cables. But first of all, what I'm doing, people, is we've got the old plugs on the old cables, which I'm going to be desoldering. So what I'm going to do is get my soldering iron on in a bit. Might have to weigh that down. Fucking thing. What we got here, some really expensive solder, guys. Not your average stuff. What you got here? That's my desolderer. I'll show you later. What you do, you press that in. You warm your circuit up. You press the button. Boom. Anyway. Where's my bit of sponge? Quite a bit of junk down here, guys. Got my tools and stuff. Anyway, there's my little video. Be doing another video. Got a few more videos coming up, the box and all that. Whatever you're doing, guys, have a good one.